Pheromone Trap DIY pest control products can give homeowners precise, low-toxicity monitoring and mass trapping for species such as carpenter moths and codling moth. Use species-specific pheromone lures paired with delta traps for best results, because male moths respond only to the right chemical blend and trap design. Change lures each season since the active compounds degrade and release rates shift with temperature, and always follow the manufacturer recommended replacement interval. Position traps at the recommended height for the target species, often within the tree canopy for codling moth or near wooden structures for carpenter moth, and orient traps away from strong prevailing winds to improve catch rates. Count captures weekly and keep a simple log with date, trap location, and number of moths to identify peaks and to time any necessary supplemental treatments such as targeted sprays or biologicals. In heavy pest pressure situations, combine trap use with mating disruption products to reduce overall mating success, because traps in that context serve better as monitoring tools than as sole control. When deploying multiple traps, space them according to guidance for the species, typically one trap per 2 to 5 acres for monitoring and more for mass trapping, to avoid overconcentration and to get representative data. 3 common mistakes are using a non-specific lure, which attracts few or no target males, so switch immediately to a lure labeled for the exact species and check the active ingredient. Placing traps too low or too exposed, which reduces catches and yields misleading counts, so move traps into the canopy or sheltered spots at the recommended height. And relying on traps alone during high population years, which can leave large numbers of females and larvae unchecked. So integrate trap counts with timed supplemental treatments and consider mating disruption or spot treatments when counts exceed action thresholds. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on pest management projects and related repairs, and it helps contractors connect with homeowners seeking specific services. We also host an active discussion community where users share field experience, tips on trap placement, lure selection, and local seasonal timing, so we all learn from each other.